Say to my people, Father Deli big sound, box of money. It a come rum 2023. See the brand new box them there, you know. Our base box them there, right? Brand new base box the boss just buy. Test out, see it there, pull out a plastic. See it there, brand new, pull out a box. Brand new bag of wire. See it there, see all the manual there. The book down the paper, brand new card, watch out, this they ever pull yet. See it there? Father Deli sound, box of money, 10th of June, at the anniversary. So when you come out, come here, the full blast. The juggling there, you might run it off now, you know. You see it?
Never heard of sound place when the young so built. Box of money machine, and sound boy, we have to laugh. We stop laugh with people, we start kill people and choke them bone. Why don't leave the sound thing alone?
Box of money sound, Father Deli. So today we are take it out and show the walk on with the sound. So check Father Deli for the box of money. Things are dating, you see me? And look out for the interview for the bookshop, Deli's chicken and things, you see me? Here's them there, you are going to tell you the journey, how long you are doing, what you do with the community and everything. So box of money. Anniversary, the 10th of June, somebody in a park. Let me tell you, we are going to show you the sound and set up, new box, everything. You see me? Alright. Tell them test, you know, if them feeling bad like a we sound for dead. Tell me, yes, viewers and subscribers and followers, I'm your host, World Rhyme Up. Welcome back to the channel, to the page. Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever on the earth you are. And today we are going on the street and we are going to check Father Deli, box of money sound. And you know them located in Alman Town. Where you can find Alman Town is Jamaica, Kingston 4. And you know that located in a Central Kingston division, right in front Hero Circle surrounding area, and you don't know behind it you have Sabina Park, and you know you have Ministry of Finance, Education and Social Security. Here's the Almantown Police Station. So down there, so box of money HQ down there, so you can find Father Deli. And you know Father Deli sound brand new, it at it a come round the world, so you can check him out in price reasonable. When you know Father Deli nah kill nobody, cause real L9 street and MPM Jews. And look out for the podcast too. We are going to interview him restaurant and talk about the food. So box of money. I'm your host, World Rhyme Up. Say to my people, Father Deli big sound, box of money. It a come rum 2023. See the brand new box them there, you know. Our base box them there, right? Brand new base box the boss just buy. Test out, see it there, pull out a plastic. See it there, brand new, pull out a box. Brand new bag of wire. See it there, see all the manual there. The book down the paper, brand new card, watch out, this they ever pull yet. See it there? Father Deli sound, box of money, 10th of June, at the anniversary. So when you come out, come here, the full blast. The juggling there, you might run it off now, you know. You see it? Box of money. Yeah man, you know the thing go see it there, them plastic just a come off. Why am I tear it off? But you have him raise it, because I put up them little logo here. You see me? So box of money sound, want to look out for it. See it there, brand new. See all the box around here, so out of plastic. See it there? Out of plastic. Brand new. See it there? Yeah man, 10th of June, at the anniversary. Full sound of the blast. Yes man. I just like and comment and tell you anything. I just a new column this go up in our viewers. Brand new column this. Above over 100 column. 10th of June. Box of money, Sabina Park. And worries down at that. See there? Whole heap of thing. There's something to take out. It brand new. Them have it. I go put it in there. So.
Man, brand new wanna go in, man.
Yes, sir, Joe.
Brand new wanna go in right away.
Yes, man. So when you quit, them have everything.
Everything come out new.
Right now, box of money sound. Father Deli, no pussy test, no sound boy, no go around this. People link up phone a date, check Father Deli phone a date. You see what me I say? Sound available right now, so link Father Deli phone a date and the cleanest sound, cleanest machine playing. May I tell you from now, Yeah, test where I test out. And I gonna make on the ear the test out. You see me? Make on the ear the test out. Brand new thing in a plastic. One bag of manual book, but we know about sound, so we not have to read them there, because we know how to string up. See it there? Bag of things, brand new. Out of the box, as you can see. See the rest there, and we'll eat more there around at the storeroom. You see what I say? Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So when it turn on, I go make on the ear, or it a clap, or it a bounce. All the daily sound, box of money.
Machine a bust two guns when so empty so clear. Never heard a sound play so empty so clear. Box of money machine ain't so boy we have to laugh. We stop laugh with people, we start kill people and choke them bone. Why don't leave the sound thing alone? Box of money machine. Box of money machine a bust two guns when so empty so clear. With a sweet tone and melody the ground want fear. Never heard a sound play so empty so clear. Box of money machine kings. Yeah, we no laugh with no skin. No play neither grin. Long time with the I give out we warning. Fool can't hear so him skin time name. Don't dig the grave, behind the return containers. I'm fly too far, then we go and clip the wing. Don't shove the box of money, then get murdering. Boom, one go tell them to cheat and coolest love, me.
Center. Today I take in a video,
This video.
Oh, small people survive.
Oh, to go out, man, watch people. Yeah, man, box of money machine, the 10th of June, at the big anniversary, at the launch of the sound anniversary. Live with Joe Bling. 10th of June. Somewhere in a park. When they string up the whole thing of cloth, we don't care on one talk. Brand new sound from the market, I come run the place. Box of money, keep them in them face. Father Deli. That me I tell you, everything new. Brand new. Now for dust down or brush off. Everything just a pull out of the plastic. So the 10th of June, Box of Money anniversary, Sound Lounge. You know, come see Wall and Column. Talk all on the wall. So much big sound come and gone and park. As long as we there, the one that can't park, we have the talent. We are the baddest things. Yeah. No boy, no bad than we are bigger than we. I don't know if you like we. Everybody have them favorite. You see it? Box of Money sound. A talent to it, you know. You can chat in tune for tune. Anytime when you're ready. Alright. Have it there in the seat. Box of Money sound, Father Deli. So you just link up Father Deli for the booking, so the data, you know, him cheap, him not there, him not killing no half, and you don't know the thing go, you see me? Yeah man, we have for party rental, we have for 9 night, we have for funeral, we have for wedding, we have for setup, we have for every occasion. You see me, karaoke, anything on that keep link Father Deli, and this is the package there. And you know Father Deli, I'm on the support from him, pull up him and come buy some quart and some trace and whole of vibes. You see what I say? Yeah man, I know hype me, I hype our boots up, but you don't know. The man pay him dues and the man set him thing. A whole heap of sound out there, you can pick on a choice and choose who you want. But at the end of the day, Father Deli, Box of Money Sound, them a do them things. So me I go put up Father Deli number and you can just call him and talk to him, cause a reasonable sound and a real man. And the sound I play good, come here, so them play up on a boat ride, and me I tell you, and one time I go out and dance, so them I play, and me I tell you, clean, whistle, you see what me I say, so viewers and subscribers, you don't know, followers, wanna just link up, tell a friend, Box of Money Sound, and it a come round the world. You don't know the thing, go. I'm your host, Earl Rhyme Up. Look out for the podcast. Look out for the interview with Father Deli, chicken and chips. Yeah, Deli's chicken and chips. So you know we are going to interview the place, talk about him. You see me? Yeah, and look out for the anniversary. You don't know Box of Money, the 10th of June, Sabina Park. Box of Money Sound and string up the whole of the column on the wall. Them. And you know, whole heap of guest selector, and you know, it hosted by me, yours truly, World Rhyme Up. So that now go normal. So you just roll out, you see it? Alright, so we're going in the street again. Box of Money Sound. Father Deli phone a date. You see what me I say? Sound available right now. So link Father Deli phone a date at the cleanest sound, cleanest machine playing. Me I tell you from now. Yeah, test where I test out. And me I go make on the hear the test out. You see me? Make on the hear the test out. Brand new thing in a plastic. One bag of manual book, but we know about sound, so we not have to read them there, because we know how to string up. See it there? Bag of things, brand new. Out of the box, as you can see. See the rest there, and whole heap more there around at the storeroom. You see what I say? Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So when it turn on, I go make on the ear, or it a clap, or it a bounce. Father Deli Sound, Box of Money.